Students learn about cannabis through Ministry of Education Health and Physical Education curriculum. The curriculum covers substance use, addictions, and links to mental health in an age-appropriate way, beginning in grade 6. The focus is on helping students develop knowledge and skills they need to lead safe, healthy, productive lives by discouraging and preventing drug use among students. Specifically, students learn about how cannabis use affects the developing brain, which can lead to problems with memory, concentration, thinking, handling emotions, and decisions. And from a mental health perspective, students learn that for some individuals, use of cannabis can increase anxiety, bring on depression, and in rare cases result in delusional and psychotic symptoms. Students also learn about making healthy choices by discussing the factors that influence substance use or not, such as personal values, peer pressure, media influences, curiosity, legal restrictions, cultural teachings, and effects on others, such as secondhand smoke. There are also education links related to cannabis in other curricula, such as social sciences and humanities, biology, Canadian and world studies, and law. Some students need more information, which can also be provided through schools. So for example, some students may require early intervention support or access to treatment, which are provided in partnership with Reederwood Addiction and Family Services and Ottawa Public Health.
For all students under the age of 19 years, possession of cannabis, except for medical purposes, remains illegal. So if a student is caught in possession of cannabis, there will be a consequence. Under current legislation, there is no automatic suspension for various infractions, but rather suspension can be considered for a student possessing cannabis. This means that principals must consider the individual circumstances for that student, such as age and developmental level, behavioral history. Is this the first time the student is found in possession, or have there been other instances? And the impact suspension will have on the student's education. They must also specifically take into account mitigating factors, which include the child's ability to understand the consequences of their behavior, the ability to control their behavior, and whether the student's presence in the school creates an unacceptable risk to the safety of others. In practice, then, the actions taken from one student to another may vary. If, however, a principal believes that a student has engaged in trafficking cannabis, the student must be suspended for 20 days pending the principal's investigation to determine whether or not to recommend to the school board that the student be expelled. The length of the suspension and whether to recommend expulsion again depends on individual and mitigating circumstances.